how to unblock website on Safari. So first of all, make sure that you are not using any kind of VPN. After doing that, what you're going to do is get to your settings, and then from here, scroll down until you see screen time. Tap on that. And then from here, scroll down until you see content and privacy restrictions. Tap on that one. Make sure that it is disabled just like this. Now what you're going to do is get to the settings of Safari. For that, go back, get to your main settings, and in here, scroll all the way down, then tap on apps. Then from here, all you need to do is search for Safari. Just like this, tap on it, and then we'll get to the settings. From here, scroll down until you see advanced. Here you can see advanced, tap on that. And then from here, you have to make sure that block all cookies are turned off just like that. And after doing that, you have now successfully unblocked all of the websites on Safari. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.